It's looking like a mass exodus inside the Bexar County District Attorney's Office. A source with knowledge about this situation tells us right now there are 21 attorney positions open.
A source also telling us at least 16 people have turned in their resignations and more could be on the way.
All of this happening as DA Joe Gonzalez is about to begin his second term. And what's more, a number of high-profile cases are coming up in the new year. So a staffing shortage this significant could be a problem for some.
Erica Hernandez spoke to two judges who are worried about what could happen in 2023.
The 226th District Court is ready for the new year.
I can tell you just the first week of January alone, I have 4 murders that are ready to go to trial.
But whether if they will actually go to trial is in question, as this court hasn't had a lead prosecutor for about a month now. In fact, several of the courts don't have a lead prosecutor assigned to them. In the past month, 16 people have resigned from the district attorney's office, including lead prosecutor Mario de Prado, who was expected to try the high-profile Andre McDonald case next month.
These jury trials are set months in advance, and so only certain prosecutors know what's going on in every particular case. Without that prosecutor being available, cases have to be reset.
So what is going on in the DA's office? In the past, Joe Gonzalez has told us that issues with keeping staff were due to a pay issue and not being able to compete with other counties as far as salary. But is something else going on?
The issue is not simply a matter of funding. There's more to it than that.
I don't have a good sense of what's happening. I just know that I asked to get a replacement. The DA's office has been responsive and they assure me they are trying, but I don't have a good grasp of what actually goes on up there.
In the meantime, according to Judge Rangel, the backlog caused by COVID was expected to be resolved by March of 2023, but that probably won't happen. Now the concern, what will happen to defendants waiting to go on trial? Possibilities include lower bonds being set for those not given a speedy trial or cases even being dismissed.
The court system, right, the judges within the court system are trying very hard to make sure that we push the cases, but obviously if we push too hard, you're going to get results that the community may not be satisfied with.
Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
District Attorney Joe Gonzalez did release a statement just about 30 minutes ago saying, in part, for some time now, I have been publicly speaking about problems in our office with pay and workload. In an effort to streamline our administration and increase efficiency in our office, I have decided to eliminate both the chief of litigation and chief of major crimes positions and plan to restructure those into deputy chief positions, end quote. You can read Gonzalez's entire statement. It's on our website at KSAT.